The Flex 24V Brushless Cordless 6-Tool Combo Kit is a powerhouse kit that every serious DIYer and professional should consider. If you are curious about the latest price of this toolset, you can check it out from the link in description below. This set comes with 6 essential tools: a hammer drill, hex impact driver, circular saw, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, and a work light, all powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries with fast charging capabilities. The Flex 24V Advantage gives you 20% more power thanks to its high-efficiency lithium system, and with Thermatech heat management, it ensures 25% longer runtime so you can tackle projects without interruptions. Every tool is equipped with a sensor-free brushless motor, reducing friction while maximizing torque and efficiency, so even the toughest materials are no challenge. The hammer drill delivers up to 35,200 impacts per minute, while the hex impact driver generates 1,800 in-lbs of torque at 3,400 revolutions per minute, making drilling and fastening quick and precise. The 7 1/4 circular saw offers a 2.9/16 depth of cut and spins at 5,800 revolutions per minute, cutting through wood efficiently. The oscillating multi-tool runs at 20,000 OPM, providing high-speed precision with vibration suppression, perfect for delicate or detailed work. Even the reciprocating saw is powerful enough for demolition tasks, giving you the flexibility to handle any home improvement or professional project with confidence. This kit also includes 2 batteries, a 2.5 Ah and a 5.0 Ah, so you have both a backup and extended runtime for heavy-duty jobs. The 160W dual-fan charger reduces downtime by up to 50%, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. With the Flex 24V 6-Tool Combo Kit, you are not just buying tools, you are investing in performance, reliability, and versatility. Check the link in description below to see the latest price and grab this ultimate toolkit for your next project. Don't miss out on elevating your workshop with tools that truly make a difference.